So I just read yesterday that teachers are hoarders. I guess it could be. And I like to hoard online. So I keep my hoarding to a minimum, not in my house, not at my school, but online. So I like to use LiveBinders to keep my stuff and keep it organized. So just today, because I like to keep things organized, I changed up the teacher journeys and the feedback in lieu of grades LiveBinder. So this red tab right here is my favorite because I can go to so many different teachers here and learn their stories and go inside of these high school level courses. Let's see, where's the math, high school math? I know we have at least a couple. Here's one. And in her blog, if I don't want to read it here, I open a new page. And in her blog, this is the posts that show grade lists. She has other links that she can go to find different things that they're doing, and that's why I love them. You can read about different things here. Just individual teacher blogs helps me a ton when I'm trying to try something new. So I did move the teacher journeys all into different levels. We have elementary level with kindergarten, 4th, and 6th, middle school level, science, English, math, engineering, high school level, a lot of English teachers, social studies, science, math, engineering, computer science, chemistry, college or university or adult level. These are adults who teach other adults. And then some more general teacher stories here of what teachers believe. So please look through the teacher journeys when you're looking for help with feedback in lieu of grading. Of course, there are parent letters here as well. Videos explaining grading, communicating with administration. These are 3 that you can do pretty well. Specific content help is for math, ELA, and Spanish. You've got 2 more blogs here, but then the rest of these orange ones, there are multiple tabs underneath. So make sure you can look at these multiple tabs. They're called base tabs on LiveBinder. Look through them and see what you can learn. Of course, this is what I do my first Monday of spring break. Have a good one, everybody. I may later on change it to the way I have the Genius Hour LiveBinder to the grade level stories. I have these separated out into each grade, and then I have them all listed on one. So if the base tabs become too many, which would be great, I'm going to put them all on one page here. And then here in the high school one, I have them separated. So as an elective, English, humanities, speech, ELL, psychology or sociology, foreign language, world language teachers, history, law, math, religion, theology, science, and then creative arts. So I may be doing that to the feedback binder somehow under teacher journeys. I may take all of these and put them on one page. But that's at a later time, perhaps in the summer or even next spring break. Remember, when you want to share this LiveBinder, you just have to type in up here, tinyurl.com/feedbackbinder, and it comes up here. If you want to share a specific tab, such as, hey, check out all these high school teachers, you go to Options, Share, Link to Current Tab. Copy that one, and you're set. You can send that link, and it will go right to here. Take care, and enjoy learning from other teachers.